We can make our plans, but the Lord determines our steps. Proverbs 16 verse 9. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another hair installation video, and today I'm showing you guys how I got this glueless closure wig to look very realistic. It was so easy. This is a HD lace wig by AliPearl hair. It's curly 30-inch HD lace 6x6 or 7x7 closure wig, and this is the curl. The hair came in this bag, and in the bag you get lashes, wig cap, a satin band, another one, and a edge comb. So if you'd like to see how I achieve this install, and if you'd like to see what I think of the hair, then please carry on watching. The curl pattern, the density, the length. Yeah, you know when curly hair says it's 30 inches, but then it's really not, like it's like 26. This is really 30 inches. Like if I was to stretch it out, I'll probably be like 32 or 34. So what I've done off camera is I've bleached the knots and I've plucked the closure already. I already have a bleaching and plucking video on my channel, but I'm gonna make an updated one soon. I've applied my foundation onto my lace to act as a tint. I don't actually use lace tints, I just use foundations. And what I'm gonna do is I'm going to cut this in half, and then I'm gonna take this small scissors and I'm just gonna cut in a zigzag motion, so up, down, up, down, up, down. You don't want to cut straight across because it's just easier to see the lace that way, but if you cut in a jagged motion, it blends easier into your skin. Start cutting as close to the hairline as possible. Up, down, up, down. And this is a HD lace, by the way, and so far the lace is amazing. This wig I already know is going to be a great one. Apologies if I'm a bit quiet, it's literally like 2 AM right now. So now that the lace is cut, this is going to be glueless because it doesn't actually need any glue or any got to be or anything like that. I'm just gonna pull out the hairs that are gonna act as the edges or baby hair. So this part is totally up to you. The amount of hair you pull out is up to you. I'm just going to pull out enough. Okay, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just hot comb the hair out of the way whilst I work on the edges. So now I'm just gonna start trimming the edges. So first, I normally use my eyebrow as a guide, and I just cut where my eyebrow is. So I'm just gonna trim. And then this one I just cut much shorter than the rest. Then I'm going to take this mini straightener and just curl. Then I'm going to take some hair mousse and I'm just going to apply that onto the edges. And now I'm just gonna use the mousse to just mold the edges, and then any hair that I don't need, I just pull it back or I trim it. So now I'm going to take my wax stick. I'm just going to wax the hair behind the edges. And then I'm just going to take my hot comb to just lay the hair. And then I'm just going to lightly define the curls on the top with some water. Yeah. I like this hair texture because it's not too thick, but it's also not too water wave. It's literally in the middle. Okay, so I just sprayed the entire wig, just lightly, so you guys can see. The hair is so full, but the hair is so full, but it's still very lightweight on the head. Like, it's not heavy, because I have some long curly wigs that are a bit heavy, but this is very, 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 very lightweight. And this is with no glue whatsoever on this lace. And I'm just gonna take my MAC powder and just use that to define my parts. This was honestly such a quick install. It took me about 20 minutes to do this, and this is amazing. As you can see, here is the lace. Here's the lace, and it's not like bulging or anything. You can't even tell that I haven't used any like got to be spray or anything. I feel like this is perfect for like holidays, because nobody wants to be sticking down a wig all the time, or nobody has time for glue to be melting and laces to be lifting. This is just an easier option, especially if you don't know how to stick down your wigs, using a wider closure and just baby hairs and call it a day. I love it because it still has that volume with definition, and it's not like bushy. The hair itself is not frizzy at all. It is very, very nice. I'm honestly impressed. I have nothing bad to say about this wig. If you want like more definition with your curls, you can go with like a mousse or a curl activator. Curl Lala activator by Auntie Jackie's really good, and the soft and free curl activator. Those are the two that I use to define my curls and, you know, get that wet look, but I prefer it when it's like semi damp, so how it is now. So I'm not going to go in and I'm not going to drench it in water. So yeah guys, this is the end of the video. If you enjoyed this install, make sure you like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Stay blessed, stay safe, and stay prayed up.